Hi there, I'm Matthew Ahern, National Training Manager at Smeg Australia. I'd like to talk to you today about new ovens that we're releasing just now. So this model here is our SFPA 395. This product's been designed especially for the Australian market. The A in the model number indicates that it's an Australian specific model, and the P means that it's a pyrolytic oven. So inside the oven it gives us 5 shelf positions. So with the 5 shelf positions, it means that we have full capacity from the top right the way through to the bottom. And like all Smeg 60 centimetre ovens, it has the ability for us to fit our pizza stone into the base of the oven. So not only can you cook on 5 shelf positions, but you can also cook on the floor of the oven. Like all of our 60 centimetre ovens, it has a removable roof liner, so that can come out and go into the dishwasher for cleaning. So if you've had some cheese on toast that you're grilling and it splatters up and hits the roof, it's easy enough to clean it. Also inside the oven you can see that there's staggered lighting, so down here on the bottom on the right hand side and up high on the left hand side. So even when we have 5 shelves inside the oven, you can see across all shelf positions, so that it means that we've got easy visibility. On the inside of the oven as well here, there's a fully removable glass door, so that can come out and it pops out really easily, so that way you can take it out. So that way you can again clean the oven door before starting the pyrolytic cleaning process. The way that the controls operate has changed with this new series. So we have our classic aesthetic. It's also available in the linear aesthetic over here, which is with or without control knobs depending on the model. But this one turns the oven on, and then we can select the cooking function that we want to do, or whether it's one of the special settings. So in this case I'll choose a cooking function, and then I can scroll through here to choose the appropriate function. I would like to cook a cake, so I'll choose the fan forced function. I turn it on, it prompts me at 160 degrees, which is the optimum temperature for a moderate oven. If I want to increase that temperature, I just scroll to the right, or if I want to decrease the temperature, I scroll back to the left. If I decide that I want to cook for a specific amount of time, I hit the button again. This is telling me it's in demo mode, so ignore that. I hit the button and then it allows me to choose a minute minder, or I can choose to cook for a specific duration. So in this case, I'll cook for 10 minutes, and then I have the option of delaying the end of that cooking cycle. So it means that I can set the oven to cook for a specific amount of time and turn off when I'm ready to eat. Then if I want to cancel the operation, I hit the home button, and then it tells me, do I wish to interrupt the program? Yes, I do. Thank you very much. Down here we have preset programs, and there are 50 preset programs broken down into different categories so that we're able to choose the appropriate category. So in this case, I'll look here at, say, some pork chops. If I want to cook pork chops, how much do they weigh? I'm going to cook a lot of pork chops, 1.5 kilos, and then it tells me that I should cook them on shelf position 4, and I want to start. So they're going to cook using our fan grill function. Again, it shows me here, it's very human friendly rather than computer friendly. It shows me that I should be cooking on shelf position 4, which is right up high, and that is going to be using the grill element with the fan to distribute the heat. When these bars get to the top here, that means the oven has reached temperature, and were it not on demo mode, if it were in full function, then those would increase, get to temperature, and then once it's at temperature it will say, okay, ready to start cooking. So this is our new classic range, and it's really wonderful for us to have this evolution of our product range.
Okay, great. So when are these ovens available for consumers to buy?
July.
Okay.
July. So we're selling through our current range of ovens at the moment, and then this range will be ready for purchase in July.
Perfect. Okay, well thank you very much for the demonstration.
No worries. Thank you.